Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Chrysler 300 guys, and if you need to find the fuse for the steering lock, steering column, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. Some of you may have this one, some of you may not, depending on the configuration, model year and all that stuff, so don't freak out guys if you don't have it. Just make sure we'll explain what to look for if you don't have it. Now we'll explain why it's super important to test fuses, how to do that, so we'll cover very helpful information that can guys save you quite a bit of time and money. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here in the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. We will have multiple videos on Chrysler 300. We'll be taking them apart. We'll make videos about almost everything you can think of, including mechanical, electrical. You can check our channels for more information as well. And if you need to guys buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from. You can save quite a bit of money. You can find all kind of parts, tools, relays, anything will be listed there. So this is guys the V6 Chrysler 300 engine, but even if you have a V8 it will work as well. If you come right here, you can see this is the fuse box right there. Now you have two things that you squish towards each other, pull straight up, put it on the side. Right here you see you have the fuses, relays, multiple components. What you will need to check specifically guys for the steering column guys, okay? This is guys, okay, actually some of you again will have that, some will not. We're talking about fuse number 36 guys, so if you come right here now, okay, fuse number 36 will be guys, okay, right there, 1 2 3 4, that fourth fuse right here, that's for the steering column that you need to check, the steering lock. That's very important fuse guys. This is right here, you can see this is a 10 amp fuse. You need to check it to make sure, okay, that it's good. Sometimes it's really hard to tell if the fuse is good, so you might need to remove and test them. That will be my number one suggestions. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses and relays, and in a few seconds you will be able to test yours and find out if they're good or bad. Also, if you need to buy replacement ones, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. That way you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. If you have any other questions on Chrysler 300, drop a comment below. That way we can make a video when we have time to you guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.